Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a sprite move to a random position. For this, we will use a bell. We will also change its color when it moves to a random position and also add a sound to play whenever the bell is clicked. Okay then, let's start. Let us choose a sprite. Now we want to select the bell, so search for the bell and click on it. Let's add a backdrop. I will use the circles. First of all, we want our bell to move from one position to another, and that should be any position on the screen, right? So we will drag a go to random position block. Now I want to change the bell color every time it moves to a random position. So let's use the change color effect by 25 block and place it below the go to. Okay, nice. Now we want a bell to keep on moving, so let's use a forever block and place these blocks in it. Okay, but now we see the bell moving too fast. So let's use a wait 1 second block to let the bell wait for 1 second before moving to another position. Great. Now I want this code to execute when I press the green flag. So let's add an event. Here, when green flag is clicked, I need to execute this code. So this is an event. Let's place the event on top of this code. Now when this green flag is clicked, the code attached below it will be executed. Let's add a sound when we click this bell. Use the start sound block. Okay, great. But I want this sound to play only when the bell is clicked. Let's add an event then. Drag the when this sprite is clicked event and place it on top of the start sound. Okay, very well done everybody. See you again with the next tutorial.